What happened local news for Friday the 17th of November. 4 serious collisions between heavy vehicles and trains in 3 months have highlighted a worrying trend, one of which just recently south of Masterton. TrackSafe New Zealand is launching a research project to help improve safety for heavy vehicle drivers around railway level crossings. Since 2010, there have been more than 23 collisions between trains and heavy vehicles. The 2-day Living Through Wairarapa speaking meeting of mental health and suicide prevention educator Mike King kicks off on Monday. Mr King will speak at several events around the region at UCAL, Makolda College, Taratahi Agricultural Training Centre before speaking at the community event on Tuesday night at the Carterton Event Centre. And in sport, Kate Sims and Georgia Atkinson will make their debut for the Central District Hinds this summer. They'll join Melissa Hanson, Esther Lancer and Kerry Tomlinson, who are also Wairarapa Koro's representatives. Another former Wairarapa player, Anolo van der Venter, will captain the side. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.